Hey folks, welcome back. In this video we are going to install vCenter on vCenter server. So let's log in, put your password. You really don't have to log in with the domain user. You can log in with your the local administrator and you would able to install it. Okay, so not to be worried. When I mentioned earlier that Citrix server where we need to log in with the domain user, and after that we would able to run it and we will able to install it. So this is not like on the vCenter. We can install it using local administrator. Okay, go to C drive. I need to copy the setup file over here, the vCenter setup file that I mean. It is copied, mount, run the run file. One thing you need to remember is the vCenter installation will take a lot of time to install the vCenter. You need to be very patient. Okay, a restart from previous installation is needed. All right, next you need to choose a default one, vCenter server and embedded platform service controller. If you have the additional database, you can go with the vCenter server. Okay, but this is fresh installation and we are not have additional database SQL server installed on different server, so we are going to choose this one. Okay, say next. vCenter.careerhub.com would be the URL which we are going to use for VMware. Okay, say next. Okay, it is asking me to the specified name can be resolved to an IPv6 address, but the name could not be found in the DNS. That should be fine. Just say okay. One or more of the IP address appears to be assigned by DHCP. The use of static address is recommended. Oh my god, I forget to put the static IP address. So let me do that. Okay, first and see. Go to properties. What I have mentioned in the lab, what the IP address we are going to give 201. Okay, let me uncheck IPv6 that there was an error message. 10 numlock 10, come on, 10 10 10 201, right? 10 10 10 1. What is the DNS? Of course, controller address 10 200, right? Go again, 201 the IP address which we need to assign to this particular vCenter server. Say okay, say okay. Why it's coming up on the screen? We should be fine. Okay, put the password. If you want, you can change the name from default first side. Okay, I'll make it prod site. Say next. Use Windows local system account should be fine. Okay, database, we really don't have the database as I mentioned, so we are using embedded database which comes with default by VMware. Okay, Postgres. Say next. Port default, we need to use default ports. Say next. Make it default. Say next. I really don't want to join the VMware customer experience improvement program. Say next. Install. Now, as I mentioned in the start of video that the vCenter installation take at least 25 to 30 minutes. Okay, so I'll pause the video and resume it back once it is about to complete. Okay, or maybe once it is complete, I'll resume the video and I'll show you what next. Thank you.